Sunnyside HQ. A little bit earlier than we were expecting. This is literally the first time I've been in here on my own. A lovely big space. This is my space for creating. It's literally like a small house. Do you love it? Hello everyone. How are we all? I hope you're all good. Today's video, you're probably thinking, what on earth? What's going on? Me too. I am in the new Sunnyside office right now. Little bit mad. It's all happened in the space of literally less than a week. I had a call last Friday to say that an office had become available. Sunny wants to say hello. So yeah, had a call last Friday to say an office had become available. I came to view it last Saturday. It's now the following Thursday and I've just got the keys. Madness. If you're new here, hello, my name's Hannah, I'm 23. And about 6 months ago, I started a business called Sunnyside. So I sell pet accessories, dog harnesses, collars, leads. That's like the basis of the business. I have constant new ideas. My mind is always racing about what else I can sell. My inspiration behind Sunnyside is my little dog, Sunny. Oh, you love a treat. This is one of my products from my new collection that she's wearing. This is the cherry blossom harness. I started Sunnyside as a little sideline business hustle type thing. I just wanted to try something new. I'd never done anything like it before, never built a website, I'd never sent out orders, never spoken to suppliers, anything like that. So it was all very new to me and it has quickly started to snowball, which I'm really, really grateful for. Honestly, it's so much fun. I love doing it every single day. Then 2022 rolled around and I had the aim to move out into a proper office this year sometime. Until now, I've been running Sunnyside from a little summer house in our garden. I still live with my parents, so it's their building. Been running it from there, but I've quickly run out of room for stock. So I wasn't looking for an office yet. I thought maybe like in the summer I would start properly looking. Not gonna lie, wasn't really ready for it mentally. It definitely feels scary. It's the first time I've rented anywhere. It's the first time I've had an overhead for a business. Obviously I've always worked from home, so it definitely felt scary. But then this office came up and it's just perfect for what I need. I would have literally been stupid to let this office go. A little bit earlier than we were expecting, but I've now got the office. It's ours, mine and Sunny's, and I'm very excited to show you it today. It's double story, it's like a little house basically. I'm gonna be renovating it, so if you want to join those vlogs, please do. They'll be coming up over the next month or so. I'm gonna really get stuck in with this office. I'll be up here a lot, and then I'm hoping by like the 1st of April, I'm gonna be running the business from here. That's the plan in my head. Whether it goes to plan is another story, but we'll try our best. I just want to say a massive thank you if you've supported Sunnyside, if you've got a dog, if you've bought anything, even if you've just followed the Instagram page, if you've liked the pictures. Honestly, all of it makes such a difference. But without further ado, I'm going to stop my rambling and show you Sunnyside HQ. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm standing at the front door right now. As you come in, this is what you see currently. So over to the right, there's a heater. Haven't yet figured out how to work this, but we'll get there. The floors are wooden laminate. Over this side, this is where the stairs go up to upstairs because it is double story. Very exciting. There's a little understairs cupboard, which is actually a big understairs cupboard. This is going to be so handy to keep like cleaning supplies and naughty puppies. Joking, obviously. But yeah, this is quite a big cupboard in here, so I'm really chuffed with that. I can keep my mop, my hoover. Oh, there was a spider in there. All gross. This is literally the first time I've been in here on my own, so kind of figuring this out at the same time as you. Right, then back around this way. We've obviously got a little shelf here, which I think I'm going to paint black. My vision for the moment is to paint this wall a very light pink, because that is the Sunnyside colour. Oh, hello, do you like pink? This shelf black, some towel rails I'm gonna put up here so I can put one of each harness design on. But anyway, moving round to this room. This is going to be the stock room. So this is a really nice big room. Honestly, the stock I've got is not going to fill this, which is exactly what I needed. I needed a stock room that was big enough to allow the business to grow. Again, we've got the wooden floors. The walls are just white. There's 2 windows, but these windows will most likely be blocked by the stock. But yeah, just a really nice big empty room. Big space for lots of cute harnesses. It's a little bit echoey in here right now because obviously there is nothing in it. If I stand in the corner of the room, this is how big it is. A lovely big space. I'm really pleased with this. It's so nice to have a separate stock room to the packing area, which I will show you in a moment. Come on then, Pup, let's go and show them the kitchen. So back through here and back round this way, we've got the lights. So this is the little kitchen area. Did have a little dilemma with this because obviously there's no fridge right now and this gap here is not wide enough for a fridge. So I think what I'm going to do, that will be the space for the bin, and I think the fridge is going to go in this little space here with a worktop on the top. I'll put a plant on it or something to make it look a bit nicer. Obviously we've got the sink and under sink storage. I also want to put a couple of kitchen cupboards on this wall. Maybe a couple of kitchen cupboards and then a shelf for a microwave. I'm not too sure yet. We've got a little space for a kettle, tea, coffee, sugar, all that jazz. So if anyone comes in, they can have a cuppa. If you have any ideas of how to make a kitchen look cute, let me know in the comments below because I've never done it before. And then we have the toilet. Let me put the light on. Simple little toilet roll holder, sink. Again, this is going to have a huge makeover. It's actually quite a nice space, like it's definitely not tiny. This was installed yesterday as a little heater for in here. My vision for this toilet is to possibly paint the walls a very light beige and then have black accessories. I want to get some pictures up on this wall, obviously a little mirror, a cupboard somewhere. I'm thinking a black vase and some pampas grass to hide this, potentially. But we'll see how we get on. I'm excited to try and make the toilet cute as a toilet can be, you know. It's still a toilet. That is the downstairs, currently standing where the fridge will be here. Toilet, kitchen, little hallway. This is going to be the living space for my Crocs. If you know, you know. I do not work without Crocs on. Shall we go and show them upstairs? Come on then, pup. Luckily, everywhere's been painted white when the last people moved out, which is super handy. This floor down here is absolutely fine. Obviously, it needs a clean, but I'm happy to do that. I'm actually really excited to get in here and clean it. This carpet on the stairs is going. I'm having a new carpet fitted, which is light to mid grey. It feels really nice. It's quite plush. So yeah, the navy carpet is going, and I'm thinking of putting pictures of different dogs in my products up here leading up to the office. Come on. She's a little bit unsure of the stairs at the minute, I think it's because they're dark. Come on then. Good girl. So the main office, here we go. This carpet is also being replaced. This is going to be, again, light to mid grey, and this is the office space. I think this room is about 300 square foot. If that means anything to you, that's how big it is. It's definitely big enough for me. It's big enough for both of us, isn't it, Doodle? Ignore my tripod in the middle of the room. That's so I can take a thumbnail on my own. But we've got loads of plug sockets around this room, which is fab. I love the view. It looks out onto fields. How pretty is that? Apparently in the summer, these trees over here bloom and they're really pretty and it's lovely and sunny and a really nice light room, which is what I really liked about this office. Obviously, I'm going to be filming and stuff up here a lot, so the more light I can get in, the better. Again, all the walls in here are white. This little box up here is for the CCTV. I've ordered new blinds already for the windows because they are a little bit, magnolia, not to my taste, shall we say. So I've ordered some fresh white blinds in the same sort of style. I think the slats are a little bit thicker, like just a little bit more modern, you know. And then round this way we have the two doors. So this is the stairs where I just came in. There's aircon units fitted to downstairs and upstairs, which is absolutely fab. That'll be so nice in the summer. And they also work as heaters. So, oh, Sonny, you're so sweet. You're having a little nap. Make yourself at home, my love. You're going to be spending a lot of time here. And then over this way, we have a cupboard. I'm going to paint these doors white. The brown is not doing it for me. This is a little storage cupboard. I think in here I'm going to keep like my flat pack boxes before I build them up for sending out orders. They've got really nice big deep shelves which will be fab for storing the boxes flat. It's a little bit hard to explain, but yeah, this is perfect for that. Little storage room. Don't really know what else is going to go in here at the moment, but I'm sure I'll fill it with something. Is there any spiders in here? Oh, I hope not. And I think that is pretty much everything that I've got to show you at the moment. I do obviously have plans to renovate this. I will be vlogging the entire journey, so if you're interested, do subscribe. But I'm thinking at the moment maybe very light pink wall over here, pink sofa here, Lena mirror, pamper grass, white rug, coffee table, desks, all white, pink and black, I think is my plan for up here. So much content is going to be filmed in this room. I'm absolutely buzzing about it. Vlogs, TikToks, Instagrams, Reels, you name it. This is my space for creating all the content now. So that is our new office, isn't it, Sunny? Do you love it? Doing it together, aren't we? Me and you. The best co-worker I could ask for. I think that's all I have to show you for right now. Obviously, it's just a very big empty space at the moment. But if you are interested in watching the renovation, I'm going to be doing like cleaning videos now. Obviously, some more packing videos, studio vlogs in a proper studio. Stick around if you're interested. I'm excited for this next chapter of my life and of Sunnyside. Please let me know any inspo, any ideas you have down in the comments below. But for now, I hope you're having a lovely week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next Sunday with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.